This video explains how to mount file systems in Linux, focusing on attaching storage devices using the mount and umount commands. Understanding these commands is crucial for managing storage and accessing data in a Linux environment. Mounting is the process of attaching a storage device or file system to a specific directory, known as the mount point, within the Linux directory tree. In Linux, before a storage device can be accessed, it must be mounted. Mounting makes the contents of the storage device available through the file system hierarchy. Think of it as connecting a road, the storage device, to a city, the directory, so you can access what's on that road. The basic syntax of the mount command is as follows: mount, then in square brackets, options, then the device, and then the directory. An example of how to view all mounted file systems is with just the word mount. The mount command is used to attach a file system to a specific mount point, making the storage device's content accessible. To mount a USB drive, you would use the command mount /dev/sdb1/mnt/USB. To mount with file system type, use the command mount option text4/dev/sdc1/mnt/data. To mount a CD or DVD, use the command mount /dev/cd-rom/media/cd-rom. Here are some common mount options used with the mount command. The option T type specifies the file system type, such as extension 4, NTFS, or FAT. The option ORO mounts the file system as read-only, preventing any modifications. The option ORW mounts the file system as read-write, which is the default setting. The option ONOEXEC prevents the execution of any binaries on the mounted file system. The option ONOSUID ignores the SUID or SGID bits on the mounted file system. The option ORemount remounts an already mounted file system with new options. Multiple options can be combined using commas, such as mount ORO noexec /dev/SDB1/MNT/USB. Here are some practical mount examples to help you understand how to use the mount command in different scenarios. To mount a USB flash drive with the FAT32 file system, you would use the command mount option TVFAT/dev/SDB1/MNT/USB. To mount an external hard drive with the NTFS file system, the command would be mount option TNTFS-3G/dev/SDC1/MNT/external. To mount an ISO file as a loopback device, use the command mount option O-loop image.iso/MNT/ISO. To mount a remote NFS share, use the command mount option TNFS 192.168/100:share/MNT/NFS. To find the device names in Linux, you can use the lsblk command, which lists all block devices in a tree format. This command shows the device names, sizes, and mount points. The highlighted device is a 16 GB USB drive. Alternatively, you can use the fdisk command with the L option to list partition tables for all devices. This command provides detailed partition information, including device names, sizes, and types. Again, the highlighted part is a 16 GB disk /dev/SDB. Note that these commands may require sudo privileges. The /etc//stab file is for persistent mounts across reboots. This file contains information about file systems that should be automatically mounted at boot time. The structure of each line in the file is as follows: device, mount point, file system type, options, dump, and FSCK. Device specifies the device name or UUID. Mount point is the directory where the device is mounted. File system type indicates the file system, such as extension 4, FAT, or NTFS. Mount options includes parameters like defaults, RO, no auto, and user. Dump is used by the dump utility for backups. FSCK order determines the order for file system checks at boot. The umount command is used to safely detach a mounted file system. To unmount a file system, you can specify the mount point using the command umount followed by /mount/point, or you can specify the device with the command umount followed by /dev/sdb1. If the device is busy, you can force the unmount using the command umount f/mount/point. Always unmount removable devices before physically disconnecting them to prevent data loss or corruption. If you encounter a device is busy error, close all applications using files on the device, exit terminal sessions in the mounted file system, or find processes using the file system with the command lsoft/mount/point. As a last resort, you can use lazy unmount with the command umount l/mount/point, which detaches the file system immediately but cleans up references when they are no longer busy. Automounting file systems can be achieved by using the /etc /stab file for automatic mounting. Add entries to /etc /stab to automatically mount file systems at boot time. Common mount options in fstab are auto, which mounts at boot time. This is the default option. No auto, which means do not mount at boot time. User, which allows regular users to mount. No user, which means only root can mount. This is the default option. After editing /etc /stab, test with mount option A. Modern desktop environments use auto-mounting services like udisks2, GVFS, or AutoFS. The benefits of desktop auto-mounting are plug-and-play functionality for USB devices, automatic mounting and unmounting when devices are connected or removed, user-friendly notifications, and no need for manual mount commands. Most desktop environments handle auto-mounting by default, with no configuration needed. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.